Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study in medical school. First, let's outline the foundational steps for success. Medical school requires a strategic approach, blending theoretical knowledge with practical application. You'll need to adapt your study habits to the fast-paced clinical environment, focusing on efficient learning. Aim to dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to review material, ensuring you cover essential concepts for both patient care and examinations. To maximize your learning, leverage effective resources. Question banks are invaluable for active recall and understanding clinical reasoning. Many students find completing 40 to 80 questions daily highly beneficial. Combine this with focused review books that distill complex topics into digestible information. Remember, integrating what you learn from patient encounters with your study materials creates a powerful learning synergy. Integrating your clinical experiences with exam preparation is crucial. Each patient encounter offers a learning opportunity. Actively link their presentation to your textbook knowledge. For shelf exams, begin studying at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance, focusing on the core curriculum for that specialty. Actively participate in rounds and ask thoughtful questions to deepen your understanding and demonstrate engagement. Maintaining your well-being is paramount for sustained success. Medical school is a marathon, not a sprint, so ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Engage in hobbies and spend time with loved ones to prevent burnout. Regularly assess your study methods. If something isn't working, don't hesitate to adapt. A balanced approach will lead to greater academic achievement and personal fulfillment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.